Other news tonight, Erie County has officially released documents related to the county's response to the deadly Christmas blizzard.
This comes after News 4 requested these materials be made public. News 4's Jeff Raval is in the studio tonight with the details. Jeff?
Well, we certainly have been reviewing the materials that we've received from Erie County. The county has released a series of internal memos and blizzard reports from various departments that responded to the storm, which claimed the lives of 46 people here in Erie County. According to one memo from the county's mental health department, there should have been an earlier evacuation of personnel, and more clarity was needed on essential personnel coming on in. Best Self Behavioral Health says that a travel ban should have been implemented sooner. In the aftermath, cleanup was not well coordinated. The county's Department of Public Works says that not enough food was on hand. That was a major issue. Here's the county executive talking yesterday about the release of these documents.
What I believe, there's going to be very few redactions, and they talk about specifics associated with personnel. And that has a whole different process, and that under law is redacted. Everything else you're going to get.
The county's Department of Public Works says the mechanics were busy repairing 12 abandoned fire trucks in the city of Buffalo. Due to the cold, the diesel in the trucks turned into gel. A report from the county health department says that hospitals were, quote, inflexible and complained that their morgues were out of space and they were overwhelmed. This was because of the inability of funeral homes to claim bodies during the storm. Now, this is just a small batch of documents on the county's response to the storm. There are still thousands more. The county will not release communications between departments, and every communication with the county executive post-blizzard reports for the city of Buffalo in the state have already been released. Jeff Raval, News 4.